yeah, she saves some money. Absolutely, as far as the surrender charges go. But if your ultimate goal is income, sometimes that will not matter as much as you think. Hey there, I'm John Stevenson, the Guaranteed Retirement Guy. Behind me is Red Lake. Well, it's not so red now, it's frozen, but it's beautiful out here. And we're going to be talking about taking a free withdrawal from your annuity contract before purchasing another one. I had a lady call me up, and she has an annuity contract she wants to get out of. She wants higher income, and the annuity that she's in is just not what she's looking for. It doesn't give her high income. The guy who sold it to her didn't understand what he was selling her. And so she is looking for something that will give her high guaranteed lifetime income for the rest of her life. So I showed her one that will work, actually gives her, I want to say 30 or 40% more. So it's pretty substantial. But the thing is, she's in the surrender charge period. And right now her surrender charges are like 7%. So she's like, all right, well, I'm going to wait until June of 2025, because in June of 2025, it goes down to 6%. That's the anniversary date. That's the next anniversary date. And I can totally understand that. I can respect that, because if you're trying to save money, 1 percentage point of even $1 million is $10,000. That's $10,000 saved, right? So, and of course, when we were looking at stuff, I was looking at annuities that would actually pay her a bonus. And I want to say we're looking like 10% bonuses. So she would have been whole. I mean, she would have actually had more money in there than what she started out with. But I can still understand the thinking of still trying to minimize that loss as much as possible and maximize the gain when you actually put it over to another annuity. So, and that's what we're going to do. And I'm sure at June next year, we're going to find something great for her. But I also want to talk about the risks involved with waiting. If rates are lower, she's not going to lock in a higher amount of income that she could have now. Even with a percentage point that is, yeah, she saves some money. Absolutely, as far as the surrender charges go. But if your ultimate goal is income, sometimes that will not matter as much as you think. It might be better to take a hit on some of the surrender charges, take a bonus, because there are high withdrawal rates or a high, just a high income contractual agreement with a particular annuity that you may not want to, wait around for, because those change. And when Federal Reserve changes their rates or they lower their rates, it affects everything. And so the cost of waiting can be bigger than the savings that she's going to experience by waiting, another 6-7 months to have a lower surrender charge. Anyways, it's things to think about. Everyone's in a different spot, and we all don't want to lose money, right? And so I'm never going to push you to try to buy an annuity. Yeah, I'll make commissions if you buy one, but I'm not going to sit there and try to push you to do it when I know that it's just not right for you. Sometimes just people mentally and emotionally, they're not ready for it, and that's fine. I want you to take your time and spend the time necessary to make the right decision for yourself, okay? If you go to my website, johnstevenson.com, you'll notice that there's a lot of annuity calculators there, okay? You can look at highest income. If you go to Income Rider, that will show you the highest lifetime income that you can get, okay? SPIAs and DIAs, those are better for immediate and deferred, irrevocable contracts that are good for, especially if you want to do 10, 20, 30-year certains. Those are great, especially for beneficiaries who are not your spouse. The MIGA rates are really high right now. They're still over 5%, which is great. They were 2% just a few years ago, so things are still really, really good with rates. So if rates are going to go down in 2025, which it looks like they are, it's going to affect these MIGA payouts. The SPIA, the DIA payouts, the QLAC, the Income Rider, everything will be affected. So take advantage of them. If you want to book a call, there's a link below this video. It goes directly to my calendar, and we can talk about your annuity questions, okay? I'm not going to try to sell you anything. I'd be happy to sell you an annuity if that's the way it goes, and if that's what's best for you, then I'd love to help you. But again, no obligation, right? Nobody likes a pushy sales guy. I hope you enjoy these videos. I enjoy making them. I enjoy talking about real world examples, real stories. People of you and me. We want to work with someone we can trust. We want to work with someone who is going to just tell us the truth, right? And is going to show us an annuity that is in our best interest, even if it pays them less. And I hope that as you go through my website, as you look at the different options available, I hope you feel that. I hope you feel the transparency there, because it's super, super important to be transparent. Kind of like this ice over here, although you don't see it, it's frozen over and you got like a foot of snow over it. But that ice is transparent, right? So transparency in annuity sales, transparency in ice. You get the picture. I really like being out here, and I hope you do too. If you like the video, please like, please subscribe, please share. If you got questions, comment below. I'm happy to go over them. And today has just been an awesome day. There's no wind, so I'm not freezing to death. And that's always a good day when I can do these videos in decent weather. We'll see how next month is. Next month I might be in a snowstorm, which I think it'd be kind of cool to do some videos in a snowstorm. Probably run some analogies with market risk and protection with annuities and stuff like that. So anyways, hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time. Hey, I really appreciate you watching the video today. If any of it makes sense to you, or if you found value, or if you even got a question about anything, I hope that you'll go to the comments section and ask it. There's no stupid question, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you.